Hi friend, this is the unboxing of Liddu Smart Band M4. So they told it will be having one pen like stand, but it is not available in this. Let me power on and check this one. Okay, this is the smart band and we have one charging cable for this. Here is the pin. We have to connect it to here. This is the charging point. Here we can connect it. Again we have a already, I didn't do anything, it's already started. Let me already, there are 1092 steps. I don't know how it is showing. Let me check what is happening inside. Find phone, messages, search of time. There is no, this is heartbeat, speed, time, messages about, power off, location, calories. Okay, fine. Thanks for watching.